If you're trying to set up AWeber for music, whether for fan emails, automation, or selling merch, you're in the right place. But before you go all in, there's something you need to know. AWeber is great, but it's not necessarily the best tool for musicians. Stick around, and I'll explain why, plus show you an alternative that might serve you better. First up, setting up AWeber for music is simple. You sign up, create a list, and start adding subscribers, whether from a website, social media, or past gigs. The interface is easy to navigate, and AWeber gives you pre-made email templates that work decently for musicians. But here's the first issue. Most of these templates feel outdated, and if you're trying to create a modern, visually appealing email for your fans, you'll need to do extra customization. Next thing, automation. You can set up welcome emails, drip sequences, and even merch promotion campaigns. AWeber's automation is functional, but it's not the most advanced. You can trigger emails based on signups or purchases, but compared to other platforms, the workflow builder feels basic. If you want more flexibility, like tagging fans based on concert attendance or streaming habits, you might find AWeber's system a bit limited. Another thing, integrations. AWeber connects with platforms like Shopify, Patreon, and Bandziggle, which is great for musicians selling merch or exclusive content. But it lacks deep integration with some modern music platforms like Spotify and Apple Music. If you want seamless automation between your email list and your streaming audience, you'll need third-party tools to fill the gaps. One more thing, pricing. AWeber offers a free plan, but it's limited to 500 subscribers. After that, it gets expensive quickly compared to alternatives that give you more features for the same price. If you're just starting out, the free plan is fine, but for serious growth, you'll be paying more than you might expect. Bottom line, AWeber works for musicians, but it's not the best. If you're looking for something more powerful, with better automation, modern templates, and deeper integrations for music marketing, check out the alternative in the first link below. I've tried all of them, and this one consistently outperforms the rest. Plus, through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive perks that aren't available anywhere else. Try it out and see the difference.